Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is evaluate 5 square bracket square minus 5 square into 3 cube. 5 square its square minus 5 square into 3 cube. We can write this 5 square its square as 5 to the power 2 into 2 minus 5 square into 3 cube. This is because a to the power m to the power n can be written as a to the power m into n. So here it is 5 to the power 4 minus 5 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3. This 5 to the power 4 means we need to multiply this 5 4 times minus this 5 square means 5 into 5 into 3 cube means 3. Multiply this 3 times. So equals to 5 into 5 means 25 and again 25 minus 5 into 5 is 25 into 3 3s are 9 into 3 means 27. 25 into 25 is 625 minus 25 into 27 is 675. So 625 minus 675 is minus 50. Hence, 5 square its square minus 5 square into 3 cube is minus 50. That is, our answer is minus 50. From available options, we have option B as minus 50.